Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check at Apple Pay Spark Case card. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. In fact, it's the same as we can add another cards to our Apple Pay. So what we can do? First, let's go to settings. And here on settings, just scroll down a little bit. And let's go to the part that says Wallet and Apple Pay. Just click here. As you can see here, we have options that it's add a card, or double click home button, etc. So if you want to add a card, in this case, a Spark Case card, you can go to add card, and here on that card you can add if it's debit or credit card or transit card. Also, you can add in different devices. For example, in an Apple device that is updated, you can add a digital card. In my case, I don't have this option, but if you have it, you can do it. So only add debit card or credit card and then continue. You can keep here your card, or you can enter manually. So just click here, and then you can add here the card number if you prefer. And when you add it, just click on next, and you can add the date of information or something like that, so you can start doing it. And of course, that is how you can start using your card. After you add all the information here, you can add expiration date, security code, and when you do it, well, just click here on next, and you will add your new card to your Apple Card. So that is how you can start using it. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.